Students, welcome to my session. So, this is Dr. Radha. I am welcoming you to My Abhyas digital learning platform. Students, in the last video, I discussed about quantum theory of Planck's, right? I hope you remembered. So, according to this Planck's quantum theory, energy is emitted or absorbed from the black body radiation, right? So here, according to this Planck's postulate, what we understood, all the atoms and molecules, they can absorb or emit energy. So how exactly means? In a small discrete energy level. So what we call that discrete energy levels as photon or quanta. So here, the energy levels of an atom or molecules can be expressed in terms of what? Photon or quanta. So what we can say, this photon is an energy particle or quanta is an energy particle. According to Planck's, what is that photon energy? He told that photon energy is what? E is equal to h nu. So what is that h? It is a Planck's constant. How we got means here, as per Planck's here, the photon radiation is directly proportional to the frequency. So that is E is equal to exactly h nu. How we got that h means E is proportional to nu, where nu is what? Frequency. So here h is a Planck's constant. How much that Planck's constant is? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. Students, you have to remember that Planck's constant value always. Okay. So here, energy always emitted in terms of what? Integral multiples of h nu according to Planck's. So this is one more postulate of Planck's. So what we understood? According to Planck's, always emission or absorption of energy by atoms or molecules takes place in the form of what? Discrete energy level. Discrete means small packet. Okay, so what we call that discrete energy levels as photon. Each photon is a energy particle. So whatever energy that is absorbed or emitted is proportional to the what? Frequency of the radiation. So here one more postulate what it is given by Planck's is always energy is an integral multiple. Okay, so here it is an integral multiple means how can you write this Planck's equation then? E is equal to nh nu, where n is what? Integer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It is an integer. So this is all about Planck's postulates. We discussed all these things in the last class. I am just recalling all these memories. So what and all we discussed in the last class, just I am explaining again for you people, so that now we are going to use these Planck's postulates now in order to solve some numericals. Okay. So this is all about what? Planck's postulates. Now students, in exam some questions will be asked about this frequency, wavelength, wave number calculation and all. So how can you solve? What and all numericals it will be asked in exam. Now let us see now. The first question here, numerical I am taking is, the wavelength range of the visible spectrum extends from violet. That is violet wavelength region is 400 nanometer to red. It is 750 nanometer. So what we need to do? Express these wavelengths in frequencies. So in terms of frequencies we have to express. So here two color wavelength it is given. One is what? Violet and another one is red. What is the meaning here? You have to calculate frequency for both. Okay, for both color you have to calculate. So now how can you calculate? Let us see now. See first what you have to do? Frequency for violet. See solution. Now I am going to solve this numerical here. You please observe. So first you calculate frequency for violet. So how do you denote frequency? Nu, right? So nu is nu violet you need to calculate. So what is the formula you have to write? So you know very well E is equal to h nu. Nu is equal to what? C by lambda. So nu is equal to c by lambda. Okay. So how do you calculate here? See, formula is c by lambda. C means here velocity of light. Students, it is not given. You have to remember. So what is the velocity of light? Last class I told it is 3 into 10 power 8. Velocity of light you should remember always. So here velocity of light unit is meters per second. Okay, so that also you can write if you want. Then lambda. See, for violet color, what is the wavelength? It is given 400 nanometer. See, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, now 400 nanometer, convert that one into meter, because here it is in meter, it is there. So lambda value substitute here. How much here? 400 into 10 power minus 9. 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay. Now after simplification, you are going to get here a value of 7.50. Okay. Into 10 power 16. So this is the value you will get. And here what it is given, you have to express these frequencies in hertz. So here answer you have to write in hertz. So this is what? Frequency for violet. So this is how you have to calculate. Now, after calculating frequency for violet, students, you need to calculate frequency for red. Okay, similarly, in the same way, you have to calculate frequency for red also. See here, again, see what you have to write. So you should write frequency for red. Now students, write the formula. Frequency for red is equal to, again you write the formula. Frequency is equal to c by lambda. C is velocity of light, same 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second you have to write. Then lambda. See, please look at that numerical. Now for red color, what is the wavelength it is given? 750 nanometer. So write that wavelength here. So in the denominator, 750 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So here after simplification, you are going to get a value of 4 into 10 power 14 hertz. Okay. So this is what? This is frequency for red color. Students, like this, you have to determine frequency for two colors of different wavelengths. Okay. Now what you can say here? The frequency of visible region is between what? 4 into 10 power 14 to 7.5 into 10 power 16. Okay. So what you can say? The conclusion here, what you can write here? The frequency of the visible region is between what here? 4 into 10 power 14 to 7.50 into 10 power 16 hertz. So the wavelength it is given is in the between what? Visible light region. Okay. So this is how you have to solve this numerical. This is very simple numerical. Using these steps you can solve. I hope you understood, right? Okay. Now I am going to take a next numerical. So what is the second numerical here? See what it is given. You have to calculate. What you need to calculate? Wave number you have to calculate. Frequency of yellow radiation. For yellow light radiation you have to calculate. Here wavelength it is given. How much it is? 5800 angstrom it is given. So first what you have to calculate? Wave number you have to calculate. So you know very well wave number means what? Reciprocal of wavelength is known as wave number. So here how do you calculate? See here now solution. I am writing solution here now. First you have to calculate wave number. Wave number can be denoted by a letter what? Nu bar. Nu bar is what? Wave number. So what is the formula? Reciprocal of wavelength means inverse of wavelength. 1 by lambda. So here 1 divided by lambda. See wavelength value it is given. How much it is? 5800 angstrom. So how do you write here? 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. Okay, please remember. So here 5,800, write like that only, 5,800 into 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay. So simplify. So you will get a value of here 1.724. Okay, 1.724 into 10 power 6 after simplification. So per meter you are going to get, that will be what? Frequency, I mean wave number. Students, like this you can calculate wave number if they give wavelength for the what? Light radiation. So this is wave number for yellow color light radiation, which is having a wavelength of how much? 5,800 angstrom. I hope you understood. So what next it is given? Frequency of yellow light radiation you have to calculate. How do you calculate frequency of yellow light radiation? You know, see, C is equal to what? Nu lambda. Because E is equal to H nu. Nu is equal to C by lambda. Now what you have to calculate? You have to calculate frequency. So now to calculate frequency. Now I am writing to calculate frequency. Okay. So at a wavelength of 5,800 angstrom, you have to calculate frequency. So here first you should note down velocity of light. So what is the velocity of light? C is equal to how much here? I told no, it is a constant. C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8. C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So this is velocity of light. We know that formula, right? We know that E is equal to h nu from Planck's equation. Here where nu is equal to what? C by lambda. Nu is equal to, C value is 3 into 10 power 8 divided by lambda value. What is the wavelength it is given? 5,800 angstrom. Right? So angstrom is here how much you have to write? Into 10 power minus 10. So after simplification, you will get a value of, here you are going to get a value of 5.172 into 10 power 14. Okay, so here this is meter, this is meters per second. So per meter, meter get cancelled. So what you are going to get? Per second. So here the frequency of the red light radiation at a wavelength of 5,800 angstrom is found to be 5.172 into 10 power 14 per second. See students, you have to use this formula to calculate frequency if they give wavelength. Okay, using this. But you should remember velocity of light always. Okay, so that is the constant. I hope you understood. Right? Okay, fine. Now I am going to take up next numerical. What is that next numerical? So this numerical we understood. Now I am going to take next numerical. See here, the third numerical. Okay, important. All these numericals are important.